Hello, students. Today we will discuss about the class 11th statistics, chapter 6, diagrammatic presentation of data. And in this, we have already discussed the various diagrammatic presentation, that is presentation of data with the help of bar diagram and different types of bar diagrams, that is multiple bar diagram, simple bar diagram, subdivided bar diagram, and so on. Today we will discuss about the presentation of data with the help of pie diagram. Pie diagram. This type of pie diagram you have already studied at class 8 and 9 level. The same thing is here. We will study how to present the various facts, various data of statistics with the help of pie diagram. In pie diagram, we prepare a circle pie and in this circle we present the various facts in such a way so that it will reveals the statistical facts in a nutshell. But how we will present the statistical facts in a circle? This is a problem, because data are given in percentage form, and here it is in degree form. The circle is of 360 degree. Then we have to convert the statistical data in the per degree form, whether the statistical information given in percentage form or in any other form. We have to convert the statistical information for presenting in the pie diagram into degree form. Then only we will be able to present the fact in the pie diagram. Let us consider how a statistical information can be converted in the degree form. Say the information given in percentage form. Say 50%, 40%, 10%. Total is 100%. We have to convert it in the degree form. For converting it in the degree form, we have to multiply it with the 360 divided by 100 equal to how much? 180 degree. Converted 360 divided by 100 equal to 144 degree. 10%, 36 degree. Add them, you will get 360 degree. That means we have calculated these degrees is correct. Now present it with the help of Proctor D. From your instrument box you have to utilize 50%, 180 degree. Here is the circle, half circle is the 180 degree. This is 180 degree, and this part one also 180 degree. Then this is 50%. Then 144%, 144 and 44 degree and 36 degree. 144 it is like up to this. This is 144 degree. This is 180 degree, and this is 36 degree. In this way, we can present the data with the help of Proctor in a circle, that is in a pie diagram, and prepare a index. You may shade it in this way, and prepare a index. Here what you have presented write it here. This is called index. Here write the number of source of the table pi, what you have presented, the title. These are the various ways through which we can present the statistical data in the form of pie diagram, bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, various diagrammatic methods through which we can present the statistical information for our purpose, statistical inquiry purpose. In this way we have completed the chapter 6 statistics, that is diagrammatic presentation of data. You have to solve various problems from your book exercise. If there is any problem, you may contact me. Rest is well. Thank you.